Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.